Hey everyone, welcome back to fibonacciPi. In this video, we will understand two very important concepts in C#, arrays and lists. By the end, you will know what they are, how to use them, and when to choose which in your C# program. What is a collection? Let's start very simple. In programming, when we want to store many values together, we use something called a collection. For example, marks of 5 students or name of 3 friends. In C#, two very common collection types are arrays and list. Both store multiple values, but a little differently. First, let's talk about arrays. An array is like fixed size tray with slots. Once you decide how many times it will hold, the size does not change. For example, if I want to store marks of 3 students, here we created an array called marks that can store 3 integers. We access each value using an index 0, 1, 2. So marks 0 is the first value, marks 1 is the second, and so on. Remember, with arrays, the size is fixed once we create it. What is a list? Now let's look at list. A list like a flexible bag. We can keep adding items or even removing items. We don't have to decide the size at the beginning. Here we created a list called marks list. We used add parentheses to insert values. The list automatically grows as we add more items. We can access items just like an array. So marks list 0 give the first value, just like marks 0 in arrays. The big difference, lists are dynamic, they can grow and shrink. Use an array when you know the size in advance. The number of items will not change much. Use a list when you know to add or remove item frequently. The size can grow or shrink during the program. Both work with indexes. Both can store multiple values of same type like integer, string, and so on. Let's quickly recap. An array is a fixed size tray of values. A list is a flexible bag that can grow and shrink. Both store multiple values of the same type and use indexes to access elements. In your early projects, if you need flexibility, start with list. If your size is fixed and simple, you can use arrays. See you in the next lessons where we will know what is OOPS. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to fibonacciPi for easy C# lessons.